surreal. Think I want you here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much, no, I don't need that much, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Though I want your touch, baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go on a fast. I need this night to last. So you were like me, wanna be free like a summer night. I'm feeling down, I don't know why. What an alibi, but I'm glad you're here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much, no, I don't need that much, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Though I want your touch, baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need.
Hey guys, welcome back to Homemaking Heaven. I'm Kristen, and in today's video, I will be deep cleaning my kitchen chairs and organizing and decluttering a kitchen cabinet. I would love for you guys to join me here if you're new. I do a lot of content very similar to this: cleaning, homemaking, decluttering, and I also share my personal story and struggle with health anxiety and OCD. I would love for you to join me here on my channel and like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video from me. And I hope that you guys enjoyed today's cleaning motivation.
Gonna stay in this moment, gonna lay here on the grass. I don't need to feel lonely, I am finally home at last. And I don't mind being gone on adventures for a while. No, no, 'cause the best thing about it is I know I'm coming back. Oh, oh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why, I'm always feeling homesick. Oh, all I know, all I know, all I know is this is where my heart is. Oh, I have seen many places where the beauty never ends.
You can see here I sprayed some extra Resolve carpet cleaner on the chairs here because these chairs get really bad with Jensen eating up at the bar with food and just get sticky and all kinds of stuff. But I am filming this video prior to my, if you saw my last video, you'll know my BISSELL Pet Pro almost caught fire. This was right before that happened, so I was able to get through all of these chairs, but I had to stop after that. I did not get to finish my couch. I did replace it with a similar machine. You guys will see that in an upcoming video. I really was happy with the machine. I really just don't know what happened with it. So anyway, I am getting these nice and clean. There were a couple spots I'm gonna have to go back and work on next time, but for the most part, I'm happy with the way that it all turned out.
My feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why, I'm always feeling homesick. Oh,
cabinet does not look like, I'm sure it's a kitchen cabinet. I have ignored this cabinet for probably the entire 3 years that we've lived here and just put random things in here. I mean, these are extra decor pieces. There's little those little things right here that you hold pots like outside plants. And then that stuff right there, that is actually the Apple TV that is connected to the television that is on my gallery wall in my main living area. I will link the video down below where I showed how I did that, but those things have to stay in this cabinet because it's right up against the wall. So I had to kind of work around that, although I didn't put anything back in this cabinet. I wanted all of this stuff organized. I thought the easiest way right now was just to put every individual thing or things that were similar in these Ziploc bags. It seemed to work out really good, so we can go through the container really quickly if we need something. There's all kinds of different chargers for power wheels and different phones and watches and all this kind of stuff. And so Jeff is going to go back through it again and throw away anything that we don't need anymore, but I just wanted to get everything out and organized, and I stored this in a different area of the house. It just does not need to be in the kitchen anyway. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just kind of going through everything and putting it in different bags, and then I actually was able to get rid of a few storage things that were in there because I no longer needed them. So I was really happy with the way this project turned out, and I hope it has given you guys a ton of cleaning and decluttering and organizing motivation.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lack and everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lack and everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes, with his humble lack and everlasting ego. Someone hurt your feelings not that long ago, and every bit of you couldn't face the truth that maybe you're just not that nice and humble kind. That would be a lie. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lack and everlasting.
I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to give me a big thumbs up. I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. I will be talking more about my journey with health anxiety in the next video. Have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. And as always, much love. Bye.
Every time that my mind slips, I just see my past life. Having dreams in a dream, I wonder why I carried on with the things that made you lose your mind. There's no way I can undo what I've done. Can we be strangers again? Start fresh like a morning. What's so bad about that?